my install is no longer 2021's mate. Because what? Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, and if you're not new, thank you so much butterflies for coming back to my channel today. In today's video, it's going to be a review on Xrsbeauty Hair. I have their box right here, and this hair is simply the most luxurious thing I've tried this year. The hairline came pre-plucked. This is their new clean hairline, and it came just like this. I didn't do nothing to this wig. It literally just came from the box and I put it on my head like this, and it's 20 inches, it's 200% density. It came in straight, but I curled it. Of course, I'll show that in the video. I didn't do the bald cap method. You already know I'm a very simple girl when it comes to wigs, and this wig company really killed it with this wig. It's not even looking wiggy at all. Like, is this the Lydia Stanley you saw in 2022 installing wigs? Hello. I really love this hair, you guys, and I can't wait to show you. Please keep on watching to know more about this wig and see how I installed it from start to finish. If you end up enjoying, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel a great deal. Subscribe to my channel as well. This is the package, and the package comes with a beautiful orange box. This orange box is so luxe in my hand, and it feels so luxurious. These are the items you get in your box. You get a wig cap, you get this beautiful black comb, this edge brush that also has a spatula end. You also get bending rollers. It's quite amazing because bending rollers are not something that typically comes in a wig box, but this brand were kind enough to send bending rollers, so you will get a bending roller when you order from Xrsbeauty. It also comes with adjustable straps because there is none in the wig, so if your wig comes loose, you can fit this in to make your wig tight. My hair came right in a DHL package to my doorstep in Kaduna, Nigeria, so Xrsbeauty will definitely ship to you wherever you are. This is called their clean hairline. So these knots have been pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It's called a clean hairline because you can see how you cannot even see this lace. This is where the lace is. You can't see it on my hand if I move my hand. That's how clear this lace is, and this is a 200 density wig. This hair is so soft, so you can see the shine, and I've not even done anything. I haven't put any product in this hair. I don't think I'm going to put any product, honestly, but let's just put this on my head right out of the box. It has 3 combs in it. It has a tiny piece of net at the back here, which I'm going to cut off. These wig companies are really getting so much better right before our eyes, and looking at this, the knots look so tiny. My goodness, I had to put it on a white stand so you can see it better, but this is what it looks like. This is what the hairline looks like. It's a 13 by 6 lace wig. Look at how tiny those knots are. I can't be making this up. Fresh out of the box. Fresh out of the box, and it looks so good. I'm just going to put this on my head without any wig cap. I just cornrowed my hair in a shuku style, so let's see how this fits. I'm so excited to try it. Wow. Wow. It looks like a silk press on my natural hair, and I love how soft the hair feels. I'm having goosebumps. Oh my god. This is going to make my job so easy. You can see how much pattern space you get. Very quickly, I'm going to show you the 3 laces. At this point, you should be able to be learning like what laces you're getting, because the better your lace, the better your melt. The secret most people use, and they'll say what lace is actually the lace material. So if you use a very stiff material, just know that your melt would not be as good. These are the 3 types of laces they sent me that we're going to be comparing. This is the regular transparent lace, and this is brown lace, and this is their clear lace. So I'm just going to put all 3 here with got2b glue, of course, and blow dry it and show you the differences in the lace, just so you can see it work. This is the clear lace, this is the brown lace, and this is the transparent lace. You can tell the differences, and the thing with this clear lace is that it can match any skin tone. Like, it's been made to match any skin tone because it has a different undertone than the transparent lace. You can see that even though the transparent lace blends good, it's not as visible as this on my skin tone. Like, it's very, very, very different. So I would definitely pick this out of the 3. Which would you pick? I love this so much. Like, I'm so excited for this install. Before we install this wig, if you're someone that has itchy scalp like me, or just preparing my hair for wigs, I would suggest you use this. This is virgin hair fertilizer. If you can get your hands on this, if you're an OG natural hair person, you should know this. This helps condition my hair, and I feel like it's one of the things that has really contributed to my hair growth in the past like few months, because this is what I do now to kind of condition my cornrows underneath my wig. Put my hair in. I wish I had the time. I would have done the bald cap method, but nah, that life isn't for me, my dear. I'm just going to move this back a bit because this hairline and the way it's customized is going to show. This hairline is amazing. Like, it's so natural. I'm going to put this in and try to secure it with the pins first, and then pack this away. I need hair packers. Ay, ay, ay. So now that we have that out of the way, we're just going to focus on making this hairline really lay back a bit. I'll curl it. I'll kind of put like a body wave on it. So I'm just using this to first like mold the part. I love that this wig does not feel wiggy at all. It's very lightweight on my head. Very, very, very lightweight, very natural too. I want to kind of lay it by spraying this thing directly on the lace. I saw this on TikTok, and I want to see if it's going to be an easier method. Ooh, that got stuck really fast. Wow. That's the thing about this clear lace, like, it makes your install so easy. Like, this is so stuck. So I'll do that in 3. I'll divide my lace into 3 because this is what I see a lot of the videos I watch. Man, like, with the way these laces are coming these days, you know, you can't be saying, or me, I can't be saying, no, I always say I don't know how to do hair because I really don't know how to. But you can't be saying that anymore because these companies are making it super easy for you. I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the got2b extra spray that's making all of this so white. I think one thing I don't like about this is that you can't control the got2b glue, as opposed to how I normally like to do it. I'll spray on my hand before spraying on this, but it's okay. It still made it very like flat, very sucked into my skin. So you can see how much better this looks compared to this side. It looks okay, but when I turn to this side, because of that got2b glue, if I advise you, don't even use got2b glue that way. Use it the way I've always used it, like control the application of it, because I feel like the got2b glue is what's showing this white cast on the net. But That's fine. On the lace, I'm going to use Tantor in medium to go over that, but I don't want to do it just yet. Don't worry about the cast, it will go away, I promise you. We're going to have a flawless install. I'm determined to make this very flawless, okay? And I'm just learning on the job too, you guys. Like, I do not know anything about hair. Now the next thing will be to kind of spray this down, even though I'm not feeling this TikTok trend anymore, but let's keep going and see. So as you spray it down, you're going with your hot comb, and then you also carefully comb your baby hairs forward, just so you have that, like, you start to shape them. I'm just going to go ahead and tie this down just so I can blow dry it once more on like medium heat, so everything will melt in, just so that the hair can lay down. I think I'll just go ahead and do that, just so the hair can lay down even flatter, like the frontal. So you bear this while I put in curls into the hair. This hair looks so natural, oh my god. A tiny tail comb is brushing it. Okay, so we're just going to add body to the wig, adding body with curls, and I'm just using my curl wand.
Tell me what your name is, tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job, tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time.
Hair curls really beautifully, but because it's not a wavy body wave hair, it doesn't hold the curls. That's why the curls dropped through when I did my makeup on Instagram. But other than that, it's so beautiful in person, on camera, as you can see. XRSBEAUTY Hair. Once again, I'll have all the links in the description box, okay? And I didn't do anything to this wig, you guys. It came like this from the box. Look at that melt. Like, I'm just new to like learning how to curl my hair. Like this is the first time my hair has actually done this. This is the first time. Goes to tell you that if you want your wig to look a certain way, It has to be the quality, man. Like, it doesn't look wiggy. It looks very natural, very like Tiwa Savage, you know, very natural looking wig. If I look like Tiwa right now to you because of this hairstyle, comment down below. Like, it's so beautiful. She's a Nigerian celebrity, in case you're not Nigerian. Like, wow. And look at how good, like, look at how good this hairline is without me doing anything to it. So my camera died when I was taking off the edges, what's it called? When I was taking out this band from it, but I literally just used, I've shown it in several of my videos, but I'll definitely do a more detailed tutorial showing you that. But I just used my Tantor from Huda Beauty. Let me show you the color. It's a medium, so you can see it's my shade, because people say their scalp is supposed to be lighter. On these edges here, I just put this, and that's what has helped it blend into my skin, like you saw, like you're seeing now, compared to how it was before. That was all I did. I didn't do, my install is no longer 2021's mate, because what this hair from XRSBEAUTY Hair hands down takes the cake for me. Links will be in the description as well if you like to see for yourself. It's 200% density, and it goes this long. 20 inches on me, it goes this long. You know, I'm a tall girl, so you take that into consideration as well. The hair is so soft, it's so beautiful. The lace, the natural hairline, perfect. It's simply the most amazing unit I've tried so far. It doesn't feel wiggy. The texture of the hair is just, can you look at that bounce now? Too amazing, too amazing. All links will be down below. Please give me a thumbs up if you ended up enjoying this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you all amazing butterflies in my next video. Bye.